Welcome back. GetResponse does give you the ability to create an e-commerce store. You can go to your tools area. You can then go to the e-commerce tools. What you can then do is you can click on add a store. You will then see a link here that says create a store in GetResponse. You can give your store a name. You can then click create. What you can then do, you can either add a product later, or you can start the process of adding a product at the point of creation. You can determine what your product is going to be. We are going to give the product a description. You'll then want to set the price for your course. You will then want to upload a course image. You will determine how you will deliver the individuals to your course. And if you choose to redirect people to a site that hosts your course, you can place in the course URL. If you want to have the individuals copied to a separate list, you can do it. And you can determine which day they're going to start in your series. Or you can leave this toggled off. Once you have all the information in, you can then click Save. If you want to edit your product, you can go to the ellipsis, you can edit the product, or you can delete the product. And that is the first part of creating a product in an e-commerce store in GetResponse. We will pick it up in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.